In this video, we are going to see about reversal setup in CPR. Before that, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Reversal setup in CPR can be classified into two types: 1, open above R1, open below S1, 2, open between CPR and R1, open between CPR and S1. If the opening first 3-5 minutes candles are around R1, or previous day high, with continuous red candles, there are highest chances for the candles to reverse and get attracted to that day CPR levels. For example, see here, on June 11th in Banknifty, the candles opened above previous day high and R1, and the candles rejected from R1, and immediately reached CPR. If the opening first 3-5 minutes candles are around previous day low and S1, with continuous green candles, there are higher chances for the candles to reverse and get attracted to that day CPR levels. Here also, see here, on June 21st in Banknifty, the candles opened below previous day low and S1, and the candles rejected S1, and immediately reached CPR. If the opening first 3-5 minutes candles are between CPR and R1, it will try to break previous day high but fails, and it will immediately tends to reverse and get attracted to that day CPR levels. For example, on March 23rd Banknifty, the candles opened between CPR and R1, it's tried to reach previous day high, and it's failed, immediately it reversed and reached CPR. If the opening first 3-5 minutes candles are between CPR and S1, it will try to break previous day low, but fails, and it reverse and get attracted to that day CPR levels. For example, on March 4th Banknifty, the candles opened between CPR and S1, it's tried to reach previous day low, and it's failed, immediately it reversed and reached CPR. You can use this reversal tricks for higher time frames as well. For day trading, use 5 minutes chart with daily CPR. For swing trading, use 1 hour chart with weekly CPR. For positional trading, use daily chart with monthly CPR. You can use this trick in all instruments. If you want videos like this, stay connected with us.